The cannabis market is heating up, okay? This is going to be a growing industry, that's for sure. Today, we're covering the top 3 cannabis stocks to buy right here, right now. And for full disclosure, I do hold all 3 of these stocks. These are the only 3 in this sector that I hold at this moment in time. If you appreciate all of this, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. Helps get these videos out to more people, and it really is appreciated. So let's get into it, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing. First off though, why is the cannabis market heating up? Well, this, okay, the legal marijuana movement builds as more states change laws. We've heard a lot about this, okay? Marijuana is legal in Canada. However, within the US, okay, it's only legal in some states. Some are only legal for medical use, and some it is not at all. And you can see here, in the last 4 months, 5 states have legalized recreational marijuana, meaning 30% of the country allows its adult residents to possess and use cannabis, and at least 2 more states are poised to be added to that list following the passage of cannabis legalization bills this year. Of course, the Democrats are more in favor of this, so that's why we're looking likely here to get this legalized within the US. What does that mean? More sales for these companies, and therefore potentially really good investments. So that's why this sector is heating up. All of these companies have good catalysts regardless of the US legalization as a whole, okay? Just want to point out, this is just a massive catalyst for them as well. So let's go into the first one. This is my favorite cannabis stock, I would say, out of the 3, most likely in terms of potential upside reward. And we are talking about HITID, ticker symbol HITIF. This is a penny stock currently trading for about less than 60 cents per share. And they've been on a bit of a run, okay, at the moment, been a bit flatline. The most they ever went up to is around about 79 cents per share, so hasn't really moved too much in the last couple of months, okay. We're down about 20% in the last 2 months, which for a penny stock, that is not really too much at all. If we consider the jump it had from mid-January to February, okay, that was about 295%. So massive jump, but it's really at a low valuation for me right now, trading at less than 60 cents. This should easily be a $1 plus company in my opinion. What is HITID? Okay, they say they have a decade of experience in the cannabis industry and has positioned them as a leading enterprise operating across Canada, Europe and the US. This company is a Canadian based company and majority of their sales are currently coming from Canada. Their portfolio includes dominant Canadian cannabis retail chain, global manufacturer and distributor of cutting-edge smoking accessories, and the largest accessory e-commerce platform in the world. And now they also have the second largest as well. We've spent the last decade developing an intimate understanding of the use of cannabis consumers, a suite of retail experience to serve their interests. So that's what this company does as a whole. Okay, Canadian-based cannabis company, but they also have lots and lots of different brands. Okay, Canna Cabana, this is a massive brand. Meta Cannabis, recently new acquisition. Smoke Cartel, another recent new acquisition. Massive addition to this company as well. Grass City, CBD City, online companies as well. Famous Brands, which has the endorsement of celebrities. So this company really is doing exciting things. They recently put out their earnings just a few weeks ago. They reported their first quarter for 2021, their financial results, and it was a 179% increase in revenue. Absolutely smashed it out of the park, and a record adjusted EBITDA of 4.6 million. Okay, these numbers are going in the right direction, and the great thing about this company is most of their sales were actually coming from in Canada itself. If you actually look here, 34.2 million of revenue was earned in Canada, with only 3.9 coming for the US. So the US legalization is just another huge catalyst for this company, but they are smashing the earnings out of the park in Canada alone as well. And not to mention, this is without some of their acquisitions. They've also been opening store after store ever since these as well. So yeah, big things to come for HITID. Up next, we have a brand new one to my channel. Never spoke about these, okay? OrganiGram Holdings, ticker symbol OGI. This actually trades at the moment on the NASDAQ, okay? This is, again, another Canadian-based company. Currently trades for just over $3 per share. And if we go back to their 6-month graph, been a bit flat as of late, okay, but it's had a couple spikes. It went up to $6 in February time and up to about $4.50 in early March. But now, yeah, we currently trade for $3.10. They were founded in 2013. They first began as a medical cannabis provider, but today they're focused on producing high quality indoor growing cannabis for patients and recreational consumers in Canada, as well as developing international business partnerships to extend their company's global footprint. It's focused on translating operational excellence into strong financial results and return on investment for shareholders. And we can look at some of their brands here. Adult recreational, okay, we have the Edison cannabis. They say this is through relentless exploration we work to uncover the possibilities of data-driven indoor grown cannabis. They also have 𝐂𝐥𝐿 Organics, which is organically grown company, organically grown cannabis grown using considerate cultivation practices. And they have this other one here called Trailblazer, and this is a cannabis brand designed in celebration of progress and the road less traveled. High value, high quality cannabis products that are ready for use. So a nice variety there of brands is what OGI currently holds. April the 13th, that's when we're going to be getting their next financial results. So just a few days away. It's going to be very exciting indeed. But if we look at if it's anything to go by from their previous financial results, which came out at January time, okay, they reported their first fiscal quarter for 2021, and it was great, okay. You can see here, net revenue grew 42% and 30% retrospectively to 22.5 million. And also their gross and net revenue were growing as well, 14 and 11% from Q1 from the Q4. So the numbers are going in the right direction, positive cash flow as well. And they ended the quarter with $134 million of cash and short-term investments. That's absolutely massive, launching 53 new SKUs since July 2020 as part of the company's product portfolio revitalization. All of the financial results from the previous financial earnings were very, very good indeed. Like I say, we're going to get the next ones out in the next few days. I'm going to be excited to see them. I think they're going to be very good, if anything is to go by how this sector has been growing as well. That's another massive catalyst for this company. But we also had this bit of news out just a couple of days ago. OrganiGram acquires soft chew manufacturer Edibles and Infusions Corporation, a cannabis processor backed by decades of confectionery experience. So they're going into this edible sector as well, the confectionery sector, another market which I think is really kind of less known at the moment, less talked about at the moment, and I think this is definitely another growing sector as well. So they're entering into that. That's why I think ticker symbol OGI is a very good price at this moment as my second cannabis holding. So on to my third and final cannabis holding at this moment in time, and we are of course talking about ticker symbol PONHF, Plnthf. We've spoken about this one a few different times on my channel as well. You can check it out. We're not going to go in too in depth because you can check out those previous videos. However, they currently trade for just over $7.20 per share, $7.20, and they've actually been up very nicely as of late. I remember getting in these around about the $3 mark, okay, so we're sitting on very nice gains indeed. They went up to about $8.20, okay, so we're not far off where they was trading at, to be honest. And yeah, $7.22 at this moment in time. This is unlike the other cannabis companies. This is more of an experience, okay. They are a top Las Vegas dispensary. Plnthf strives to provide the best quality recreational cannabis extracts and infused products available at competitive prices with compassion that can only come from those who are acknowledged in the field. The mission guides every step we take in our business, from the types of products we offer that may approach our relationships with customers. This company is basically a huge superstore that is in Las Vegas. That's their main part to this, and you can see here it's a vertically integrated cannabis company based in Nevada. They have the world's largest cannabis store steps from the Las Vegas Strip. They're also expanding into California. They should be going there I think it's mid-May time. They should be going to there as well. They have a couple of dispensaries which they're going to improve on as well. But they have this superstore experience, and you can go in there, you can get cannabis products, try it out, merch, you name it. Lots and lots going on within this company. And they recently also put out their finance results just a few days ago, and once again, they smashed it out of the park. Plnthf Q4 revenue increases 22% from a year ago to 20.1 million. And their Q1 2021 revenue was 23.8 million. 2020 revenue as a whole was 70.5 million, and their 2020 EBITDA of 8.9 million. The numbers were looking very, very impressive indeed. It didn't really jump too much off of the results. Like I say, currently around about 720. I think it has a massive upside potential in Plnthf. So these are three companies which are smashing their earnings for sure. Obviously, we're waiting for OGI's earnings coming up in the next few days. But at the moment, they've all been doing very, very well. They're all growing and growing and growing. And this sector is growing as a whole. That's why I think it's a great time to be getting into some of these cannabis companies. I did speak about a couple others on my channel as well. You can check them out. But these are the three that I currently own as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. And let me know if you hold any of these three cannabis companies. If you don't, what is your favorite company in this sector as well? Like I say, if you appreciate this video, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. We have a Patreon. You can come and join us on there. I speak about all my daily buys and sells, exclusive videos, exclusive live streams, etc. Thanks for watching, and until next time.